All right, this is break ID number 334. 2017 Topps Triple Threads Baseball 1-box break. Brand new, today's release day for it. Love this product. So this one had one filler. Let's take care of that first. This one was winner gets 2 spots also. So these are the people that bought into the filler. Let's randomize it 3 times. Robert, S.I. All right, so let me put Robert in there and then we'll break it. Actually, give me just a second. This was a buy one, get one free, and I need to assign the free spots. All right. We're all set. Here is the alphabetical list. And let's randomize each side 3 times. I agree, David. We will we'll definitely do some more new football, especially with football season starting. And I think we have a big mixture coming up next week of all 2017 stuff. Oh, shoot, I don't have the randomizer up there for you guys to see. You can see the tail end of it. Rookie move, huh? All right, there you go. There are your teams. I'll leave it up there for a minute this time. All right, here we go. So I'm just going to take one of the boxes off the top. Fresh case. Actually, fresh inner case. Just take the first one. All right. Tell you what, I'll throw in a free box if we pull a Kareem Hunt out of here. or we could do a 2-of-1 bounty. Think about it. All right. George Brett. Jake DeGrom. Nice looking cards. Aledmys Diaz. And Clayton Kershaw. 10 plus Ks, 6 in a row. 18 of 36. Wow, nice card. That is Los Angeles. Michael AP. And, wow, like this one also. 37 of 99. Jersey Auto, Trey Mancini. Very nice card. To Baltimore. Michael AP. And Bo Jackson. 205 out of 250. And Joey Votto, 41 out of 50. All right, the other mini box. I think I already did that, but Cal Ripken, 49 out of 50. Paul Goldschmidt out of 250. How about Lou Gehrig? David Wright. We have a redemption in this one. The Big Hurt. And, wow. Base rookies and future phenoms autograph relic card silver parallel Andrew Benintendi. Hello. Hello. That is amazing. I'm not going to look up the numbering on it, but it's silver parallel. Regardless, it's Benintendi, and that is a nice hit. That is obviously Boston and William R.O. Very nice, William. Nick, I don't see you in this one. Wow. And short print. Unity Jumbo Relic. Miguel Cabrera. 2 out of 27. Not bad. All right. Well, that was quite a nice box. Mancini and Benintendi. So give me just a minute and we'll go to the next one.